Warning: Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander readers are warned the following article contains images of deceased persons. A jury has been shown a photo of the scissors used by Kumanjayi Walker to stab a Northern Territory police officer before he fired the first of 3 fatal gunshots at the 19-year-old in 2019. Constable Zachary Rolfe is accused of murdering Warlpiri man Kumanjayi Walker during an attempted arrest in Yuendumu, a remote community 300 kilometres northwest of Alice Springs, in November 2019. Today the jury were also shown a picture of the wound left on Mr Rolfe's left shoulder, which his lawyer David Edwardson QC described as close to Constable Rolfe's neck. Read more. Murder trial of Northern Territory Police Officer Zachary Rolfe begins. The scissors Constable Zachary Rolfe was stabbed with. NT Police. Read more. A third of Aussie workers on the verge of quitting. In his opening address, Mr Edwardson told the jury of 6 women and 8 men that his client responded in the way he had been trained as a member of the NT police force. An image of 19-year-old Indigenous man Kumanjayi Walker supplied by his family after his death. PR image. On the defense case, he was taught, trained and drilled that an edged weapon equals a gun, he told the court. He said that concept would loom large and ripple through almost all of the witnesses called to the stand throughout the trial. When Constable Zachary Rolfe discharged his firearm 3 times into the body of Kumanjayi Walker, on each and every occasion, he was acting in good faith, Mr Edwardson said. He was acting in the reasonable performance of his duties, and he was acting in the self-defense of himself and his partner, Constable First Class Adam Ebel. Prosecutor Philip Strickland SC told the jury the Crown's case rests solely on the second and third shots fired. The situation had changed dramatically from the first shot, Mr Strickland said. Constable Zachary Rolfe was stabbed in the shoulder before he shot Kumanjayi Walker. NT Police. By the time the accused shot Kumanjayi Walker the second time, Walker was pinned beneath Constable Ebel and a thin foam mattress. There was no legal justification for his action. But Mr Rolfe's lawyer disagreed. On the defense case, Kumanjayi Walker was at all relevant times deploying or attempting to deploy the scissors against Constable Ebel, Mr Edwardson said. Read more. Ute nearly hits swimmers as it ploughs into Queensland Lagoon. Constable Zachary Rolfe has been charged with murder. Supplied. Constable Ebel did not, contrary to the prosecution position, have control of Kumanjayi Walker. Mr Rolfe's barrister concluded his opening address by urging the jury to keep an open mind throughout the trial, adding this was not a case about emotion.